Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 11, exercise 6.1. A particle move along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Please start. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Now come to the solution here. First of all, go through the given question carefully and mark the key point with the pinpointed pencil. Here a particle move along the curve. Curve it is given. Find the point. We have to find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So here I shall write, since the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinates. So here again I shall write the rate of change of y coordinate equal to dy over dt. Again I shall write the rate of change of x coordinate equal to dx over dt. The rate of change of y coordinates equal to dy over dt. Rate of change of x coordinate equal to dx over dt. So here again I shall write according to the given statement imply that here it says y coordinates is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. As fast means time. 8 times of dx over dt will be equal to dy over dt. So here I shall write dy over dt equal to 8 times of dx over dt. This thing you have got. According to the given statement, dy over dt equal to 8 times of dx over dt. Now I shall take the given curve. Given curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. I shall write here dwrt t comes out to be implied that d over dt of 6y is equal to d over dt of x cube plus d over dt of 2 implied that here 6 is a content. 6 will be popped out here, and here in center function y is available. Here in denominator t is available. D will be conjugated with y, comes out to be dy over dt. So here I shall write dy over dt equal to here d over dt of x cube. Here in center function x is available, in denominator t is available. X and t are different. That's why d will be conjugated with x, comes out to be dx over dt will be multiplied to. For timing let x equal to t, comes out to be d over dt of t cube. We will get here 3t square. So here I shall write 3 t square. In place of t I shall write x square dot, and dx over dt will be multiplied to. So here write dx over dt plus d over dt of 2 comes out to be 0. So here we will get 0. So this thing we have got here. So here I shall write again 6 and in place of dy over dt, I shall write 8 dot dx over dt. So here I shall write 8 dot dx over dt. I shall write equal to 3 x square dot dx over dt. This thing we have got. Now simplify this one. So here you will get now simplify this one. Here in left hand side dx over dt is multiplied, and here in right hand dx over dt is multiplied. So this one will be cancelled out. Here you will get implied that 3 x square equal to 8 6 ja 48. So you have got 48. Implied that x square equal to 48 will be divided by 3, comes out to be 16. 16 3 ja 48. So you will get here implied that x equal to plus minus 4 we have got. So by this means we have got x is equal to plus minus 4. Now x equal to plus 4, positive sign I shall take. So let us find out the value of y from the equation itself. So here I shall write when x is equal to plus 4, then 6y equal to x cube plus 2, implied that in place of x I shall write 4. So here write 6, y equal to, in place of 4, in place of x I shall write 4. So 4 raised के power 3 plus 2, implied that 6y equal to, here 4 raised to the power 3 comes out to be, here we will get 4 into 4 into 4 comes out to be 16 into 4. You will get here 64. 4 चौके 16, 4 64. You have got here 64 plus 2 we will get here 6y equal to 66. So here I shall write implied that y equal to 66 over 6 comes out to be y equal to 11. Now I shall check the answer whether it is correct or not. So here we have got 1 point, 4 and 11. So here you have got x equal to 4, y equal to 4. So the point on the curve you have got equal to x equal to plus 4. The plus 4 will be abscissa and y equal to 11 will be ordinate. So this thing we have got point on the curve, 1 point on the curve we have got 4 comma 11. Now when I shall take x equal to minus 4, so let us see what result comes out to be. When x equal to minus 4 I shall take, then 6y equal to x cube plus 2 implied that 6y equal to, in place of x I shall write minus 4 raised to power cube plus 2. We shall get implied that 6y equal to, here minus 4 का cube, so here minus 4 will multiply to minus 4 will multiply to minus 4. Minus 4 will get here 16 will be multiplied to minus 4 will get here minus 64. So I shall get here minus 64. Minus 64 plus 2 comes out to be 6y equal to minus 62 I have got. 6y equal to minus 62 we have got. So y equal to, here I shall write implied that y equal to minus 62 over 6 comes out to be y equal to, now consider 62, get the prime factor of 62. The prime factor of 62 comes out to be here 2. Here you will get 3 1. So here you will get minus 31 into 2 whole over, here you will get 3 into 2. So these two will be cancelled out. We will get here y equal to minus 31 over 3. So now you have got x equal to minus 4 and y equal to minus 31 over 3. Hence I shall write another point equal to abscissa I shall take minus 4 comma and ordinate I shall take minus 31 over 3. Minus 31 over 3. So this thing we have got. So now I shall write here answer. I shall write answer implied that the points 4 comma 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 over 3 are lying on the curve. Here answer will be the points 4 comma 11. Here 4 is abscissa. Abscissa, ABSCISSA, abscissa. So here 4 is abscissa and 11 is ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate together make coordinates. Point 4 and 11 and point minus 4 comma minus 31 over 3, 2 points 4 and 11 minus 4 comma 31 over 3 are lying on the curve. This will be the desired answer we have got. Here, this is a rough work I have calculated here. You can erase after solving the question. And here abscissa, I have written the spelling of abscissa, not required this thing, just I have erased here. This is the proper way of solution of question number 11, exercise 6.1, chapter 6, application of derivative. Hello guys, if you have any problems in understanding of concepts and question itself solution, then comment on my video. I shall try my best to explain it more and more simple way. Okay guys, thanks.